Welcome to Allient. We're here to talk about motors for UAS, drones, and UAVs. You know, Allient makes more than 5 million motors a year. We have lots of very good technology in rotary mechanics, so we've taken all that pedigree and put that into our drone motors. This motor is a derivative of motors that we make already. This is a drone motor for thruster application. It's made 100% in the US. We have a factory in Tulsa, Oklahoma that does all the winding and installs the bearings and the complete motor assembly. Up to 15 pounds of thrust on this particular size. Can handle high speed, high efficiency, thermally designed for high performance with airflow. We have these motors that we use globally in many applications, and we've taken that same design and slightly modified it to go into this motor that can be used in drones. The range is from 63 millimeters to 125 millimeters today, but we'll be expanding that over time.